Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after breaking out a huge falling wedge pattern, Bitcoin formed another falling wedge pattern that was smaller than the previous one. And this was the video, by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then the price line is still moving in this smaller falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to show you this chain analysis as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin that I shared a few days back on 11th of June 2023 with my members. And you can see it already had completed this final leg of the bullish bat move. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is still moving between the potential sell zone and the potential buying zone of this bullish bat move. Before this, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bat that was also formed with on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line first completed the leg of this bat here, entered the buying zone, and after hitting the sell target zone, again moved down. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern. Not the cipher, this was a Gartley move. That was another very nice bullish reversal setup that was formed on the 2-hour time frame chart. And I shared this idea on 24th of March 2023 with my members. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line started another very nice reversal and reached the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've already shared. Now, let me to take you to the live chart. And before moving to the chart, first, let me to take you here on the chain analysis. And we can see that now the Bitcoin inflow is quite down. It is now at 38,016 Bitcoins. And previously, we can see that the Bitcoin which were transferred to the exchanges for sell-off were more than 60,000. And now it is quite decreased now. Therefore, there is a probability that now the price end can start a recovery move, and it may try to break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern until or unless there will be not any Bitcoin transferred to the exchanges for more sell-off. So far, the situation is seems to be quite controlled. You can see it's quite decreased now. Now, if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then we have a very nice situation. We have already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. And in my previous so many videos, I've been telling you that in order to start a long-term rally to the upside for Bitcoin, it will be very important to break out two resistance levels. One was this downtrend line resistance of the falling wedge pattern, and the next one is from $28,600 to $30,000. That is a very strong and long-term resistance zone. You can see previously it was breaking as a very strong support zone here back in January 2021. And from May to July 2021, it has been working as a very nice support zone. And after the breakdown, you can see it is flipped into a very strong resistance. And for the past several weeks or months, the price is struggling to break it out. And now on a daily time frame chart, we have the formation of this falling wedge pattern. By the way, on the weekly time frame chart, we also have this very long-term support of EMA 21 as well. And on a daily time frame chart, you can see that now we are again bounced from the support of this falling wedge pattern. Previously, we formed a double bottom here before reaching the resistance of this falling wedge. You can see here we formed this double bottom, and now the price line is forming another double bottom here. We have first bottom here, and this is the second bottom, and now the price line is likely to move up from here. And this time the resistance will be approximately at $27,100. And once Bitcoin will be able to break out this wedge, then the target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $31,000. And in that situation, Bitcoin can at least make a powerful attempt to break out this long-term resistance on the weekly time frame chart of $30,000 as well. And once the price end will be able to break out this resistance zone, then the final target will be here at the top of the wedge for this breakout, by the way. The target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $70,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.